These are tips for the working student provided by the Center for Student Success, Troy University, Dothan campus. Write everything down. Mental notes are the enemy. Write everything down as you hear it, events, due dates, exams, etc. Make a calendar at the beginning of the term using syllabi in course calendars. Use your phone. Use the calendar application on your phone to keep yourself organized. Set alarms as reminders of important events, dates, etc. Project management and productivity apps can serve as digital to-do lists. If you're tempted to check Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat regularly during your study time, try an app that blocks social media and other distractions for a set period of time. These are some time management apps that help and have been approved through student usage. Avoid procrastination at all costs. Schedule out parts of large assignments to be done in chunks along the way instead of all at once the night before. Begin studying for exams a little every day leading up to the exam instead of all of it the night before. Procrastination can result in unnecessary stress and anxiety that can have a negative effect on your health. Identify time wasters and set goals. Ask yourself, am I spending too much time checking social media? Am I prone to texting and answering personal phone calls while studying? Do I find a lot of time has passed while I aimlessly browse the web? If any of these things apply to what you're doing, that may be a time waster. You may need to take it out as part of your routine. Make a checklist. Write out a checklist of assignments or tasks you need to get done for each class or day. Start by checking off small tasks first. Checking off items on the list will help you see that you're making progress and motivate you to continue working. Stick to your routine. Create a routine at the beginning of the term and adjust it early to see if you have leftover time for other engagements or activities. Prioritize things that you cannot move around: work, school, kids' activities, etc. Find a balance. Working while pursuing your education can be a daunting task. Reach out for help from family and friends and listen to them if they show concern for your emotional or mental health. Make adjustments to a schedule that isn't working. If you need to drop an activity or reduce a course load for that term, that's okay. Delegate tasks that you would normally complete yourself to willing friends or family to allow yourself more time to study. It will take time to find the perfect balance, but making time for social activities and interactions is critical to your success. If you have any questions or if you need help, please contact us at the Center for Student Success, Malone Hall 120. See Ms. Rebecca Johnson.